Hey guys, this is Revan. Today we're gonna play Just Dance. Today's video is going to be Beat Beat Amish. And today it's not actually Just Dance. We're just doing it on YouTube. So let's do this. I'm gonna have no controllers, but I'm scared. I haven't danced in a while, so. And also, before the video starts,
Te voy a poner al frente de Industrias Montenegro.
La empresa me lo tenía que haber
dejado a mí.
Yo seré quien dé la cara.
Okay. I have my glasses. Okay. Oh yeah! This is the weekly play.
Now, some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat like a sheep? Take it away, Dave! Throw your hands up and point them to the floor! Here's what to do, now get down all fours! Just bounce around, it's easy for me! Go crazy now, but beat like a sheep!
Beat Beat Amish. 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 Beat Beat Amish.
You got to beat,
Beat Amish. Beat Beat Amish. Beat Amish.
you got to beat,
Amish.
like a sheep! Yeah, so, you know how to beat like a sheep, I see.
I don't know what